How to correctly start the keto diet and lose weight fast in 14 days. And the drastic mistakes to avoid. Well, friends, according to a study, more than 80% of people on keto are taking the wrong approach. Although, the keto diet's potential for rapid weight loss is unparalleled. But it's not without its risks and complications. Some crucial mistakes, at the beginning of the keto journey, can really make you pay hard. Ranging from fatigue, low mood, constipation, headaches, and brain fog. With risks of kidney stones, bone erosion, and high levels of uric acid. Here, the line between success and setback can be very thin. But, you don't need to worry any further. In this video, we are going to elaborate the 5 common, yet highly crucial blunders. Drastic mistakes that people make on the keto journey and ruin it all. We tell in easy terms for you how to overcome those mistakes, thus helping you take the correct keto approach, giving you the true desired weight loss benefits and the super attractive body you desire. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. Let's have a look at the 5 drastic, keto-related mistakes that you must avoid if you want true results from the keto diet. So, mistake number 1. Going no-carb instead of low-carb. Well, a significant misconception about the keto diet is that it's all about eradicating the carbs. However, eliminating all carbs is not only unnecessary for achieving ketosis, but it can also have detrimental health impacts. Carbohydrates are primary sources of essential nutrients and dietary fibers. By cutting out carbs entirely, one runs the risk of depriving the body of essential nutrients, like vitamins, minerals, and fibers. This can result in fatigue, dizziness, muscle cramps, and brain fog. To overcome this mistake, the must thing to do is adapting to an adequate amount of carbs into your daily diet. Aiming for 20 to 50 grams of net carbs daily is the right way to go. We'll elaborate this a bit further in the video. Moving on, mistake number 2. Eating too much protein. With carbs taking a back seat in the keto diet regime, many beginners make the error of turning excessively to proteins in their diet. However, going overboard with proteins can be extremely counterproductive for the health. When the body receives too much protein, it results in potentially disrupting the ketosis. Moreover, a consistent high protein intake can cause various kidney-related issues. To strike the right balance in this regard, it's advisable to aim for 0.6 to 0.8 grams of protein per pound of lean body mass. Now, the final 3 mistakes that we are going to tell are even more crucial. Mistake number 3. Not eating enough fat. The idea of consuming fats as a primary dietary component can be daunting for many of us. However, on the keto diet, fats are not just for filling up. Rather, they are the primary source of energy. Skimping on fats during your diet can lead to multiple health issues. And, if the body doesn't receive enough fats on the keto diet, it might lack the necessary energy for the routine physical tasks, and also results in hindering the ketones production in the body, thus stalling the progress into deep ketosis. Plus, fats also play a pivotal role in satiety. Without adequate fat consumption, you might constantly feel hungry, leading to potential overeating or even indulgence in non-keto-friendly foods. Here, to keep on the proper keto track, ensure that fats make up about 70 to 80% of daily caloric intake. Emphasizing fat sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and high-quality oils. Okay, now, the 2 crucial most and drastic keto mistakes. Mistake number 4. Ignoring your vegetables. In the pursuit of keeping carbs at bay, some keto enthusiasts sideline the vegetables, which can be a grave mistake. While the keto diet emphasizes fats and proteins, vegetables also remain crucial. They are primary sources of essential nutrients. By excluding vegetables, you may risk micronutrient deficiencies that can manifest in various health issues over time. These include complications in digestion, gut health degradation, and weakening of the immune system. And, to overcome these issues, it's good to incorporate non-starchy vegetables into your diet. Vegetables, like spinach, kale, broccoli, and cauliflower into daily meals. This ensures well-rounded nutrition and the desired keto results. Mistake number 5. Not drinking enough water. Well, hydration is foundational to good health. But it assumes even greater significance when transitioning to the keto diet. This is because, in the initial stages of the diet, the body depletes glycogen stores in muscles, leading to rapid water loss. And, not compensating for this increased water loss can strain the kidneys a great deal. Moreover, along with water, the body loses essential electrolytes as well. Yes, electrolytes that, if not replenished, can give rise to a slew of symptoms, such as muscle cramps and dizziness. To circumvent these issues, ensure that you're consuming at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. And consider integrating electrolyte-rich foods or supplements into your diet. By the way, did you encounter any of these mistakes in your keto journey? Do let us know in the comments how you navigated through that phase. And now, being aware of these mistakes and blunders to avoid, you must have a smooth going across your goals on the keto diet. And don't forget to hit the like button with the keto power. Subscribe now to Shape Squad, as we'll be elaborating more on the amazing keto diet and much more crucial fitness tips in our upcoming videos. See you.